Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Gemini Exchange withdrawal addresses for faster transfers, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Gemini Exchange withdrawal addresses, start by logging into your Gemini account. Once inside, navigate to the account section on the home page. Next, look for the withdrawal addresses option in the menu. Click on withdrawal addresses to view your existing addresses. For each address you want to backup, click on the Manage button next to it. This will open a window displaying the details of the selected withdrawal address. Carefully note down the cryptocurrency type alongside its associated address. It's essential to record the address accurately to avoid any transfer issues. Consider using a secure password manager or encrypted file for storing these addresses. Alternatively, you can write them down in a physical notebook, ensuring it is kept in a safe location. Repeat this process for all the withdrawal addresses you wish to back up. Once you have documented all necessary addresses, verify by checking each entry for correctness. To ensure security, activate two-factor authentication on your Gemini account if you haven't already done so. This will add an extra layer of protection to your account and withdrawal addresses. For faster future transfers, familiarize yourself with accessing these addresses quickly when needed. Now that you have backed up your withdrawal addresses, you are ready for efficient and secure transactions. Always remember to revise and update your backup whenever you add new withdrawal addresses. Regular backups will streamline your processes and enhance security. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your withdrawal addresses are readily accessible and safely stored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.